Looking for a powerful foam sprayer that won't break the bank? In this video, we're showcasing the 5 best electric foam sprayers for every budget, from affordable options to premium picks. Whether you're cleaning your car, patio, or driveway, these sprayers deliver great performance at the right price. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, Foamboss Electric Foam Sprayer. The Foamboss Electric Foam Sprayer by Leaf Garden is designed to make cleaning faster and more efficient. Equipped with a high-pressure foam cannon, it generates thick, rich foam that clings to surfaces, helping to lift dirt, grime, and oil with ease. This electric sprayer eliminates the need for manual pumping. Just press a button, and the sprayer distributes foam evenly, saving you time and energy. It's perfect for car washing, garden cleaning, or even outdoor furniture maintenance. Not only does it offer powerful cleaning, but its versatility makes it ideal for a variety of tasks around the home. The lightweight design ensures ease of use, and its durable build guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're maintaining your vehicle or sprucing up your garden, the Foamboss Electric Foam Sprayer offers the convenience and performance you need for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Second product on our list, SPTA Electric Foam Sprayer. The SPTA 2.25L Electric Pressurized Foam Sprayer is designed for effortless, high-performance cleaning. With a generous 76-ounce capacity, it minimizes refill interruptions, making it perfect for car detailing or home cleaning tasks. Cordless and convenient, this sprayer uses electric pressurization to generate powerful, even foam. At the push of a button, it delivers a thick layer of soap that clings to surfaces and breaks down dirt quickly. No manual pumping is required. Just charge it up and spray. It's ideal for busy car owners, DIYers, and anyone seeking a more efficient wash. Crafted from durable materials, it's built to last while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Whether washing your vehicle, windows, or patio furniture, this sprayer delivers consistent results. With its smart design and reliable performance, the SPTA foam sprayer is a must-have for anyone serious about easy, effective cleaning. Third product on our list, LEIBOO Electric Foam Sprayer. The LEIBOO Electric Foam Sprayer redefines car cleaning with powerful performance and user-friendly design. Say goodbye to manual pumping. This battery-powered tool gets the job done quickly and effortlessly. It features a 60-degree fan spray nozzle, delivering wide, even foam coverage. The dense, pressurized foam sticks to the surface, breaking down grime and oil stains with ease. No spot is missed thanks to its full body reach. Built with a high-quality engineering plastic body and finger-type handle, it's both durable and comfortable to use. The sprayer's multifunctional design also makes it ideal for pet washing, garden watering, and household cleaning. Safety is a priority. It includes a pressure relief valve to prevent overpressurization, offering peace of mind during every use. Just press to release pressure before opening. Whether for detailing or daily cleaning, the LEIBOO foam sprayer offers reliability, versatility, and superior cleaning power in one compact device. Fourth product on our list, CCUUD Electric Foam Sprayer. The CCUUD 2L Electric Foam Sprayer is a smart cleaning solution for both home and garden. Built with premium PVC and engineering plastic, it's lightweight, durable, and ready for frequent use. With a generous 2-liter tank, it reduces refills and boosts efficiency. This 2025 model features an automatic pressurization system, offering hassle-free operation. Just press a button, and rich foam is released with consistent spray coverage. It's perfect for car washing, patio cleaning, or even watering plants. One standout feature is its dual spray mode nozzle. With a quick switch, users can toggle between gentle misting and a powerful stream. Ideal for tackling different cleaning tasks with ease. Designed for comfort, the finger-type handle ensures a firm grip. No water pipes are required, making it portable and versatile. Whether for outdoor maintenance or vehicle care, the CCUUD sprayer delivers power, convenience, and performance in one compact design. Fifth product on our list, KKmoon Electric Foam Sprayer. The KKmoon 2L Electric Foam Sprayer is a powerful and convenient tool designed to make cleaning easier than ever. With just one press of the pressure button, it generates rich, high-pressure foam, perfect for deep cleaning while saving car wash solution. Built with premium polypropylene, it offers outstanding durability and resists heat and chemicals. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making operation effortless even during extended use. Its generous 2-liter capacity is ideal for washing an entire vehicle with a single fill. Plus, the semi-transparent tank lets users monitor the water level at a glance. A 1,300 mAh built-in battery powers the unit for long sessions, and the Type-C interface supports fast, reliable charging. The waterproof cover adds extra protection. Beyond cars, this foamer is perfect for windows, plants, kitchens, and more. Its wide-angle fan spray makes every job quick and efficient. Clean smarter with KKmoon.